Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
In today's competitive market, custom exotic Mylar bags with box packaging can help you stand out. If you sell premium coffee, luxury cosmetics, CBD products, or gourmet snacks, the right packaging can make a significant difference. It elevates your brand, protects your product, and boosts sales. The Mylar bag is made from durable polyester film. Mylar bags provide excellent protection against moisture, air, and light. These properties make them ideal for keeping products fresh and safe from damage. The strong, custom box holds the Mylar bag. It enhances the look and makes your branding and product details stand out. This combination ensures your product remains secure while also catching the eye of potential buyers on store shelves. For more questions, please feel free to contact me.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.